Hello, welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you that there are actually different ways to multiply numbers. So, when it comes to multiplying numbers, there are different ways to do it, and that is what we call strategies. So, let us learn different multiplication strategies. We are going to start with the first strategy, which is equal groups. Now, equal groups simply means groups with an equal number of items in each group. For example, there are 12 green dots on the screen, and these 12 green dots have been grouped into fours. And when we group them into fours, we are going to get three groups of fours. So that would mean three groups of fours would equal 12 green dots. Now, let us look at this example. Can you write a multiplication number to match the model? How many groups of green dots are on the screen? That's great! There are five groups of fours. So 5 times 4 would equal 20 green dots. Now, let us look at the next type of way to multiply numbers. This is called arrays. And let us check it out. What is an array? An array is simply a row. So, arrays simply means rows with an equal number of items in each row. Just like how we group the numbers, this time around we are going to put them in rows. So, on the screen, we have 16 red dots that has been put into four rows of four red dots. So, we have four rows, and each row has four red dots, and that would equal 16 red dots. Okay, now let us check this out. Can you write a multiplication problem to match the model? How many rows of red dots do we have? Did I just hear you say three rows of six red dots? Awesome! Three rows of six red dots. 3 times 6 would equal 18. Now, let us look at the next way to multiply numbers. That is called repeated addition. This simply means when we repeat the same numbers. Okay, that is repeatedly adding together the same numbers. For example, we can see that the number 4 is added up 5 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equaling 20. So 4 added 5 times would give us 20. Now, check this out. Can you write a multiplication problem to match the addition problem? How many times is 6 added? You rock! 6 is added 5 times. 6 times 5 would equal 30. Now, let us go to the next way to multiply numbers, and this is called the number line strategy. This way, we are going to simply skip the same amount on a number line repeatedly. So, for example, we have a number line from 1 to 23, and we can see that there are three skips. So, every time it gets to the fourth line, it skips. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, one skip, 1, 2, 3, 4, another skip, and 1, 2, 3, 4, another skip. So, there are three skips of fours. Now, can you try this? How many skips do we have here? Perfect! There are three skips of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One skip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another skip. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have the third skip. 3 times 6 equals 18. You see, we have learned different ways to multiply numbers, and we can delve into more examples. I'm sure you've learned something today. Bye! See you in the next lesson.